Hi, I'm Tony Alberts, Plant Project Engineer here at Multilink. Today we are introducing our newest product, the Optical Terminal, or OT. With the ever-changing technology needs of the industry, Multilink provides customer solutions with unmatched innovations. The most recent example of this is our Optical Terminal. Let's take a look at how this product came about and how it can benefit your network and bottom line. Growth of networks is inevitable, and with that, more fiber optic solutions with future expandability and cost effectiveness will be required. With the deployment of more and more MSTs to feed homes and businesses, it is important to consider availability of product, lead times, and cost. Competitor products sometimes use proprietary connectors, which have led to these very issues. Multilink has developed a revolutionary new product called the Optical Terminal to meet the demands of today's fiber networks. The OT is available in a 4-port as well as an 8-port. So what differentiates the OT from other fiber terminals? First, it is designed to be fully assembled in the field. On the exterior of the OT housing, each port is numbered to align with the proper fiber input. The OT has a non-captive entry grommet, so this allows the use of multiple lengths of terminated fiber pigtails to be used. Fiber lengths from 10 feet up to 2,000 feet can be ordered with factory-terminated SCAPC connectors separately. For easy installation, the connectors plug into the color-coded bulkheads inside the OT, which are noted by the label within the enclosure. By doing so, this allows the technician to select the proper length fiber to be used in the OT while they are out in the field and can see what is actually needed. Now you can have the proper length to fit the actual length required, as well as the ability to have multiple lengths on trucks ready for use, all while reducing multiple stock or part number inventory on the trucks and in the warehouse. By not having to specify predetermined fiber lengths when ordering the MSTs, the real secret behind the non-captive OT is discovered. It allows for minimal lead times for the OT, as well as fiber pigtails in various lengths. You can select the proper length and use the standard OT 4 or 8-port fiber tap models. This provides cost savings and prevents excessive waste. Now let's look at other benefits, such as construction and joint trenching installation. Deployment can be faster because the OT housing terminal is not attached. The bare end of the fiber can be simply pulled through the conduit, leaving the connectorized end stable, coiled, and protected in a vault, pedestal, or aerial application until ready for use. As far as maintenance goes, if one of the bulkheads or SCAPC connectors are damaged, they can be easily replaced without having to replace the whole unit and then installing new fiber to feed it. In addition, the OT allows for serviceability in the field. You can repair or replace the OT with minimal construction cost if the unit is damaged. This saves thousands of dollars because no fiber replacement costs are necessary, and there will be minimal outage time for customers. The Optical Terminal also boasts flexibility in pre-terminated SCAPC pigtails, which, as mentioned, are available in various lengths. You can use your own flat drop fiber and connectorize it yourself with field installable SCAPC connections, which is also available from Multilink. Because the OT is non-proprietary, it has the ability to use other vendors' drops compatible connectors, or Multilink's drops with an HIP connector. A splitter kit is also available to enhance the capabilities of the OT by using a small form splitter which comes in a 1x4 or a 1x8 configuration with a splitter bracket. Finally, installation is fast and minimal training is needed to assemble. This product assembles in approximately 5 to 10 minutes when using a pre-connectorized pigtail. The innovative design of the OT allows you to make adjustments during construction installation or when required instantly by choosing the current length of fiber pigtail and minimizing waste, downtime, or delays due to inaccurate footages. Overall, the OT is a new way of installing your fiber termination product in your network with the flexibility to perform service and maintenance with cost savings in mind. For more information on this product or any other Multilink product, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to www.gomultilink.com.